Look at Jeffrey.
Are you retarded? Are you really putting that shit on your head?
Yeah.
That's how you take rollers?
No, I got
It's
the.
already recording? No way.
Yeah. I got the what you name it? The tripod.
Oh, you got it on you?
It's in the house. So I'm gonna go get that and let's go. Hold on, I gotta put this change in my car. Yes, I drive an automatic GTI. That thing is clean though. Oh my god. Look at that thing sitting low. Jeez. Tucked up. Tucked. Well, he raised that one a little bit because he had to, but still tucked. Dang! Well, what's the back tire? Like getting wild, bro. Sheesh, like, God! Gotta lock my car.
No way!
What?
Off-white, you're gay.
Fire, right?
Yeah, what the fuck? How much was it?
It was a birthday gift for my my brother's friend got that for him. So yeah, it was a birthday.
Fire, yo.
That's what I was saying. Let's see.
I thought it was a belt. I was like, why
It is a belt, but like you can rock it as a camera strap.
It's like for the camera.
Yeah. What's up, fool? How you doing, bro? Good?
It's a green light, but yeah.
Alright, bro.
Yeah, I said it was lost black, but
Pete Jeffrey sitting low.
I was thinking
Pretty tuck, pretty tuck. I mean, yeah, you can still bring it in, but like, you know, he's getting wheels soon too. So like, yeah, he's tucked. He's tucked all around. My boy sitting clean. Not gonna lie, it's clean accord. He's gonna black out like the whole grill. Finally take off those nasty ass stocks. Well, those are the cleanest stocks. I'm not gonna lie from Accord, but he had them on for like a minute.
I'm gonna get him in like 2.
Yeah, Chris with the G. Sitting clean. You know.
Wait, what are they? 18?
It's pretty clean for what he has now. Like, you know, has the carbon tips on his exhaust right there. Pretty clean. He didn't do too much. I don't know. He didn't do too much to it yet. Clean fool. Nelson just pulled up. My boy in the S2K just pulled up. That shit is clean. Oh, yup. Got the spoon logo right there.
This shit's dirty, so
That's all good. Oh boy, Nelson. Photos by Lil. Clean. Clean. Ooh. This shit is clean, bro.
Thank you.
Oh, he got the Brembos on. Oh, that shit is clean. Damn. Ah, Pete David. Yo, Pete Benny. Y'all niggas ugly, bro.
What the fuck are you playing?
David got low too, bro. Damn. Got the carbon tips too. Ah, damn. Low boys. Ah. background, bro. What is that?
Hey man, shout out to the boy, you know what I'm saying?
Bro, what are you wearing on your head, bro? He ain't keeping no brim. Look at. Oh.
Yo, Junior.
Damn, look at that, Junior.
Yeah, fix. He got tight. He was about to break. I'm like, what you doing? He's like, I can't fix it. He's like, no, and he just ordered one painting.
Wait. So you going?
Just fix it.
You gotta live like.
Wait, Jeffrey, why don't you put that on your car, Jeffrey?
Yo, okay, this is what you do. Buy Bondo with the Bondo and then send it down. That's it. And then paint it.
Nah, bro, that'll look better in the Beamer.
Nah, just wrap it. No.
Wrap
The
it,
texture.
you're gonna see
You just gotta send it down. That's it. Oh shit.
It would look good.
Nah, but you got all that space right there. Put it back on. You got all that space, bro. It's gonna look.
Now it's popping.
Yeah, but look, there's lopsided right here. It's got that, and you got like that right there, bro.
You gotta heat it and then you bend it.
Nah, you should get that. You should get a fucking lip though.